In today's video, we're going to go over the 5 benefits of real estate investing, and we're going to get started right now. Hi, my name is David Matney with Nebraska Realty. I'm a local realtor here in Omaha, Nebraska. Now let's jump into today's topic. Now, many people think that real estate investing may be just too far out of reach for them, or they may not understand all of the benefits that come along with real estate investing. And that's what today's video is about. So let's jump into benefit number 1, which is leverage. Now, leverage gives the potential investor the ability to make money off of OPM. OPM stands for other people's money. For example, if you were to buy a $250,000 investment property, you're going to need to come up with a down payment. That means you can control $250,000 worth of real estate with a down payment of 20% or $50,000. Well, hey, that sounds great, but hey, what if I don't have $50,000 to invest? Well, you may have some equity you can tap into. Let's say you purchased a home a couple of years back and that home has gone up in value. Now you're going to want to speak to a qualified mortgage professional, but what you can do is a thing called a HELOC loan, which stands for a home equity line of credit. So let's say you bought a property a couple years back that you paid $200,000 for the property. Well, now it's worth $300,000. Okay, so that means you have $100,000 of equity that you can tap into in order to get that $50,000 of down payment. Okay, now speaking of home values, if you'd like access to a free tool that'll give you some idea of your home value, it's a thing called HomeBot, and I'll leave a link in the description. It's free and there's no obligation. All you need to do is put in your email address and your address, and it'll send you a monthly update each month. It's really cool. Check it out in the description. Okay, the second benefit of investing in real estate is appreciation. Hopefully, that's not guaranteed, but let's say you bought a property a couple years back, you spent $250,000, let's say 2 years ago. Well, that property today could potentially be worth, let's say, $275,000. So that gives you the ability to have an asset that is going up in value. So hopefully your investment is appreciating in value. And speaking of value, if you find value in this video, will you please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel and ring that bell for notifications? And hey, it wouldn't hurt to give this video a thumbs up, or hey, share it with a friend. Or if you think of anybody that might be interested in real estate investing, hey, share this video with them. Okay, the third benefit of investing in real estate is a thing called cash flow. Let's say you bought a property for $250,000 and your principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, plus the expenses, let's say that totals to a grand total of $1,900 a month, but you rent it out for $2,200 a month. So that means you have $300 of positive cash flow. That's $300 that you get to give to your wife. It's real money that you can put in your pocket. Okay, benefit number 4 is equity buildup. Every month, since you borrowed that money, you have to pay that money back. But every month that you make your payment, a portion of that payment is paying down the principal. So that's allowing you to build equity. So when you rent it out for $2,200 a month, your tenant pays that rent. What the tenant is actually doing is the tenant is actually buying your building for you. So that's another benefit of equity buildup. Okay, the 5th benefit is tax savings. A lot of folks may not realize this when they invest in real estate. And I'm not giving you tax advice. You want to consult a qualified tax advisor. But one of the hidden benefits of investing in real estate, and many people don't understand this, and that is the government subsidizes real estate investment. What you get to do, let's say you invest in a residential investment property, you get to depreciate that asset over a 27.5-year period. Okay, so what that means is on your taxes, you get to deduct a loss of about $9,000 a year on your taxes. What that means is on paper, you're actually losing money, but it is a book loss. It's not an actual out-of-pocket expense. When you're investing in real estate, hopefully the property is going up in value, so it's appreciating. You get a positive cash flow, so the tenant is putting money in your pocket, actual real money in your pocket, and according to the government, you're actually losing money. Okay, so those are the benefits of investing in real estate, and you make it a great day.